Hey, Dan Brown here from Crypto10x.com, and this is the beginner's guide to Steemit.com. We get a ton of people asking new questions about Steemit, so we decided to create this guide for you. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click the link just below, head over to our Steemit page, and make sure to check out the full post for yourself. But let's talk about what is Steemit. Before we go into anything more in detail, you need to understand how the platform works and why it's important to you. So Steemit is essentially a blockchain-based blogging platform, but it has some social media features that essentially pay users for making posts, voting, liking, commenting on good content, and curating good content, providing a better user experience for the other Steemit users and the community. So think about that for a second. Steemit actually rewards you for doing the same things you've been doing all these years on MySpace, then Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, all these different platforms. Steemit rewards you for doing the same things you've been doing for free. Now, to understand the reward system, let's take a look at what it would be like, liking a post and how it works. So if we go to the new posts, I'm gonna go into the new posts here so I could show you, what it actually bumps the reward by. So you can see the reward is at 0. Now, our profile has some authority because we have some Steemit in there. We have some Steem. So Steemit.com is the blogging platform. Steem is the blockchain, the cryptocurrency that's used as a reward for making posts, curating, voting on the Steemit network. So let's take a look at how that works. So when I upvote this post, which is a like, with 100% of my power, they actually get 50 cents in Steem-backed dollars, which at the time of shooting this video, it is worth approximately $5 or $4, I believe. Steem dollars. Steem dollars is what we reward them with, so it's worth approximately $3.50. If you hop in here to Steem, you'll see that I just voted and it gave them 50 cents in Steem-backed dollars. What that actually means is they're getting part of the reward, but I'm getting part of the reward for interacting with their content as well. So what is the Steem dollar and why is it important to you? The Steem dollar is similar to Steem, so you should understand them in the same way. It is a cryptocurrency, except that it's pegged to the US dollar. So each Steem dollar it can be used to purchase about $1 US worth of Steem. So you'll have to trade the Steem dollars to another cryptocurrency, but it's basically pegged to the US dollar. So that's Steem dollars. And then there's Steem power lastly. If you hop in the wallet, you'll see the Steem dollars, the Steem power, in here. And the Steem power is a special form of Steem. So it's required to vote on the post. So in the Steem platform, you power your account, and that gives you the voting distribution. It gives you more reward, and it gives you power when you like and engage with other people's content. So moving on, now that you kind of have a basic understanding, Steemit is something to investigate further, but now that you have a basic understanding, there's 2 ways that you can earn Steem. So the first way is by making a blog post. So you, as the writer, actually earns when you post on your blog and other users engage. And then the other way is to engage with other content and curate other people's content and get others to engage with your curation of other people's content. So the more that you create and distribute viral, good content that adds value to the users on Steemit, the more reward you will actually get. So I highly suggest you should go create an account on steemit.com if you haven't already. It's pretty simple. All you do is set up your username with an email address and a password, and then you'll get your account approved usually pretty quickly. They're pretty quick, and you'll be one of the first users on Steemit. Steemit is not going anywhere. We highly believe in the power of Steemit moving forward into the future. Now is the time to get on board. If you haven't gotten everything you want to get out of this video and you want a more detailed version of the entire tutorial, make sure click the link just below this video, get access to the full version on steemit.com. Make sure to upvote our post. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button so you're first to know when we publish new videos and new content, so you can earn more cryptocurrency and get a better return on your trades. This is Dan Brown signing off from Crypto10x.com. I'll see you guys in the next video.